guys, and welcome to the channel TechTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable background apps in Windows. So for that, go to start and click on settings. Here go to privacy and now scroll down and go to background app. Here you can restrict all the apps from running in the background, or you can manage it by app to app basis. So just click here to turn off the apps to run in background. I'm going to turn off all the apps that I don't use. And that's it. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.